Let's be real. You run a digital marketing agency. You're good at what you do. You build stunning websites. You get your clients to the top of Google. Your ad campaigns, they get a ton of clicks. You deliver exactly what you promised. Traffic, visibility, clicks. And then you get the email. You know the one. Hey, thanks for all the work. We're getting a lot of clicks, but we're not getting any customers. We need to cancel. That one hurts. It feels like a punch to the gut. Because you did your job, right? You brought the people to the store. But here's the brutal truth. The lesson that separates the agencies that struggle from the ones that scale to the moon. You've built your clients a beautiful, expensive machine. But if no one is there to actually drive it across the finish line and win the race, it's just a piece of metal sitting in the garage. The clicks, the likes, the followers, the website visits, that's just potential energy. Your clients don't want potential, they want sales. They want customers walking through the door. They want the cash register to ring. For years, the agency model has been broken. We sell these things in pieces. Okay, you exist online. Great, now people can find you. Great, and then we stop. We leave the hardest part up to the busy SMB owner, the part that actually makes the money, the conversion. What if you could plug that gap? What if you could stop selling a leaky bucket and instead give them a machine that automatically turns every drop of traffic you generate into a customer? This is the new model. This is how you stop clients from churning. You stop selling traffic and you start selling results. Think about what an SMB actually needs to convert a click into a customer. A way to capture their info, CRM, a way to talk to them automatically, email or SMS automation, a reason for them to buy now, coupons and offers, a reason for them to come back, loyalty programs, a way to book an appointment, online reservations. We got so tired of this problem that we built the solution. We call it Movylo. It's a Swiss Army knife for SMB marketing. It's the conversion engine you plug into the race car you already built. See that? The traffic you generated from a QR code on a flyer just became a repeat customer. And you did nothing. Your client did nothing. It just worked. This is how you change the conversation with your client. We built this for you. You can add Movylo to your services for any client. You can even get started with a freemium plan, no cost. When you're ready, it's a simple wholesale plan. You can then bundle it into your packages and sell it for whatever you want. You decide the value. You can fully brand it as your own. Your logo, your colors, it's your secret weapon. You become an all-in-one, results-driven powerhouse, and your clients will never ever want to leave. Stop selling traffic, start selling transformations. Stop being a web guy or an SEO gal and start being your client's most valuable partner. The agency model is changing. Are you going to be the one selling leaky buckets or are you going to be the one selling the sales machine? The choice is yours.